well, this is vlog number 2. So the next video that I make is going to be with my friend Jenna. Tomorrow, me and her are going to take pictures for a local photography shop. This girl that does photography, her name is Brittany, and she's looking for someone to take pictures as like an amateur picture thing. I'm not quite sure what it is, but my friend Jenna asked me to do it with her, so I'm probably gonna do it, and she's gonna take pictures of me, and then they're gonna get judged by Brittany and some stuff like that. So it'll be pretty fun. And then I think either after or before we go take pictures, we're gonna do a video blog together, and you guys can meet her. She's pretty cool. So I think that's it for now. So I will talk to y'all later. KK, bye.